multi-camera function allows you to view several cameras' video feeds on one screen. The web UI supports viewing up to 9 cameras on one screen. This video will discuss the steps to set up viewing multiple cameras from the same network. Log into the camera on the web page and navigate to Settings. Go to Basic Settings, then Multi-Camera. In the Camera on LAN box, it will show all the cameras connected on the same network. Click Refresh if you do not see all the cameras that are connected. Below the box, you will see the first, second, and third camera. These are the channels for your multi-camera view. Select one of the channels and choose the camera you want to add to that specific channel from the Camera on LAN list. You will need to input the login credentials for the selected camera and then click Add. Repeat this step with the remaining cameras. After all the cameras are added, go back to the live video page. You will be able to choose a 4-channel or 9-channel view. Please note that if you have different camera models, it is suggested to set the pan-tilt camera as the main camera and add the other cameras to the remaining channels to maintain PTZ functionality.